2008 Aston Vantage. Transmission is getting ready to be lowered. Vlad's got everything off. So this is it. It's getting ready to get a clutch. Alright, we got this transmission lowered. The next step we're going to do is the bell housing removal. This here is going to be removed. This whole assembly is going to be lowered down. The manifold's already off. So that's the next step. Now we have the flywheel and clutch that we're going to be removing and upgrading to the V12 clutch. Is a V12 upgrade, so we're going to have the dual friction plates. There's a lightweight flywheel upgrade. We'll need the spacer, Sportshift throw-up bearing. That's it right there. This is from a V12 model, so that will ride in that bell housing. I'll show you the old one. We actually pulled it off. There was a hydraulic leak actually in the system, and it could have been throwing oil because there was some residue on the bell housing, and it could have glazed that clutch. That's why it's very important to put the brand new throw-up bearing unit, because if it does leak, oh my goodness, you're going to be wasting money and doing it again. Got the new washer or spacer installed, the smaller one, and hydraulic throw-up bearing is installed now. Got the lines connected, made sure the seals, everything lined up properly so there's no leaks. Put the low lightweight flywheel, just check and make sure the fitment, everything's good here. Alright, now we're screwing on the new lightweight flywheel. Get it done. We're actually putting it in so it doesn't go cocked. We're going to pull those bolts out. That's just the bolts to center the flywheel properly. Got everything torqued already on the flywheel. Brand new bolts. Everything's torqued where it needs to be. Everything's marked. Getting it all cleaned up. Prepared for installation. Now we're installing the clutch. We got the centering tool in there. Everything is being tightened evenly. We're doing final assembly here. Gearbox is in. Getting all the components mounted. The hydraulic pump reservoir is being mounted. Here's the pump here. And we're fitting the exhaust. One of the easiest steps here. We got the gaskets in here. And make sure this is fitted just right. We're adding fluid back into the reservoir. We actually just did a leak procedure. And there we go. Bleeding in here. Of course, you're going to need an Aston Martin computer to do this. Now we're back to bleeding in progress. Takes some time. That was it. Clutch is shifting, everything's good, it's smooth operation. Really nice, amazing feel on the V12 clutch with the dual plate versus the single plate that we just removed, as you've seen in the video. It's a really amazing soft shift. I was really impressed actually how good it is. So it's a definitely amazing upgrade, highly recommended. something you want to get done like this, and if you are in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, definitely come see us. Top Automotive, we'd be more than happy to assist. If you have questions, just contact me below. We'll see you next time.